Thousands of students in our area kicked off a new school year today. More than a dozen local districts welcoming kids back, most now requiring masks, including Cabarrus County, where leaders there just made that decision last week as the Delta variant continues to spread, putting unvaccinated people in particular at risk. WCNC Charlotte's Kendall Moore shows us how the district plans to keep students safe in the classroom this fall.
Cabarrus County Schools has seen plenty of changes regarding its COVID-19 protocol in the last several months leading up to this first day of school. It's now starting off the school year with students wearing masks in the classroom. The traffic is back for the first day of school as students, teachers, and staff return to West Cabarrus High School. It comes as Cabarrus County's reported COVID-19 metrics are on the rise, leading the Board of Education to this discussion a week before the start of school.
If I was convinced these masks work, I'd be okay. But I just don't believe our expectations of wearing a mask properly is just, it's not going to happen.
Our job is to make sure we educate the children and we do it as safely as possible.
Cabarrus County Schools switching from masks being optional to masks being required.
We're hoping that we can subdue the virus and not spread or not create an atmosphere and environment where it's not tolerable to be in school.
The superintendent says the district will be watching the COVID-19 data closely and following the NCDHHS toolkit for quarantine guidelines if necessary. Masks being worn properly in the classroom, one of the precautionary measures the district is taking to hopefully cut down on the number of students needing to quarantine if there is a positive case.
We understand the stresses and the pressures of the environment that we're in. I think we all do. We've been dealing with it for so long. But I'm optimistic and I'm hopeful.
Cabarrus County Schools trying to keep students in the classroom as much as possible. And the Cabarrus County Board of Education says that they will take up the mask issue again at their next business meeting. In Cabarrus County, Kendall Morris, WCNC Charlotte.